So yeah, let's get started. But first, let's understand a little bit of how ESM tools work and the different packages. Just to give a very brief overview. Basically, ESM tools has different packages already integrated in it, and that solve different problems. And we have, for example, among the most important ones, the red ones here are the ones that have been removed because they are not used at all, or because they are deprecated. But you might have seen this on the past. But basically, the most important ones is probably the ESM calendar that handles the calendar operations and handles the calendars inside to basically administrate the models during runtime. We have the ESM parser, that what it does is it uses a module from Python to parse the files, the configuration, the YAML configuration files. But not only that, it also understands all the syntax of ESM tools. So this is what it's used. The ESM parser is what it used to understand what you are trying to say to ESM tools. And this is used by all the different packages. We have an ESM environment package, also for handling the environments on the different computers. But you are not going to see any of those. What you are going to be seeing continuously is ESM master and ESM run scripts. ESM master is the package, and it also is a binary that allows you to build, download, configure, and build the models. And ESM run script is the package that allows you to submit simulations and point at the run script that you want to be running. Okay, so this is about the installation. So you've seen that already on the exercise. So I'm not going to go through this again, but this is basically instructions on how to install. And let's look a little bit on the ESM master, what it does. So as I said before, it downloads and builds, but it's also capable of cleaning and recompiling. So you have different, basically the syntax is that you call the ESM master binary, and then you add here a given operation, and then you specify here which model and which version are you wanting to use this operation with. So for instance, for operations, we have get to download, config to configure, comp to compile, and clean to basically do the cleaning. And then we have two extra operations that are basically meta commands that include get plus, so for example, install is the one that you've seen in the exercise, that basically what it does is it runs ESM master get plus your software, and then ESM master get plus, ESM master config plus your software, and then finally ESM master comp. So it does the 3 steps for you in one single. And then there is recomp, which basically cleans, configures, and does the compilation. Okay. So, and then we have ESM run scripts. We are going to be talking about this throughout the workshop, so I'm not going to go into details, but basically, I would say at this point that it's what we use to run the experiments in the different HPCs.